Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can send audio or voice messages to your project and team members on Slack. So let us dive right into it and show you how we can make that happen step by step. So head over to your workspace on Slack. So let me go with, let's say, this one here for demonstration purposes. You can also go with other workspaces in your list. So what you want to do after that, guys, is select the location or conversation where you'd like to send your message in. So you can go, for example, in one of your workspace's channels, or send an audio message to one of your contacts here as a direct message, or even to the Slack bot if you like. So that's totally up to you. Let me go with that channel here for demonstration purposes. Here to the right, head over to messages, and here at the bottom, inside the messages section, you will see that text box. So you can type in your message, like, I don't know, test message, something like that. Or if you'd like to send an audio or voice message, guys, make sure that your microphone or your recording device is plugged in and linked to your computer or device. And after that, simply click into that button here at the bottom, record audio clip with your left mouse, and start recording. Now, if you see a notification like this, can't access microphone, guys, it means that you probably haven't given Slack the permission to use and to access your microphone here on Google Chrome. To do that, here, while being online or active on Slack, simply click into that button next to the Slack URL here on Google Chrome, and below enable the microphone permission, just like that. And that's basically it. Now repeat the same process, and this time it should work perfectly. So click into that button, and there you go. Now you can start recording. Speak into your microphone, and once you're ready, simply click onto that check mark here to stop recording, and the given message will be then sent as a voice message to your channel and to all of your channel members, or to the given recipient. You may listen to the preview here or delete the message. And if you like to send it, simply press enter or click onto that button here to send the message to your friends, contacts, and coworkers here in your channel. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.